If you haven't been to Royal View Drive, you must come have a look and check this out. There are no houses on the other side of the street. You can just wander over to Knox Mountain and you have unobstructed views of the lake and city. The kitchen is modern and light, with cafe appliances and beautiful finishings. It shares the space with the living room and the upper deck. There's a second separated living space here on the main level, along with the primary bedroom and ensuite, 2 more bedrooms, and another bathroom. I love this ground level in-law suite. It's got great views of the lake as well. It also has a primary bedroom with an ensuite, and there's the 5th bedroom and a bathroom to round out this beautiful home. The backyard is a real hidden gem. You feel like you're a part of Knox Mountain here. There is a hot tub on the upper level. There's a pond stocked with some fish, and there's a great living space to relax and really enjoy your backyard. We are only a few minutes to downtown Kelowna, and homes on this street do not come up often. Come have a look. Give me a call for your personal tour. I am Stephanie Gilchrist at Coldwell Banker Horizon Realty.